Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
This is Mark from the JeepsteMan. Today I want to talk a little bit about these rear shackle bushings. And this is a kit that we sell. And you can see there's an upper and a lower set of bushings that go in this kit. This is a 2.5 inch wide shackle. Very common, they wear out, and they should wear out. They're actually meant to absorb a lot of the road vibration, road shocks, bumps, driving characteristics of your vehicle. So these bushings right in here will wear over time. So we sell a kit, and this kit, you can see it right here, it's actually a direct replacement for a 2.5 inch wide rear spring. This happens to be a 67 Jeepster Commando, but this fits pretty much any 2.5 inch wide on the Jeepster. So part number is 5357499K, and the K stands for kit because it comes in a complete kit. A lot of people ask questions about torque on these because you do not want to over torque these. And it doesn't matter whether you face the bolts inside or out. You can face them either way. I face them out just out of preference. But you only want to tighten these to about 35 foot-pounds. Any more than that, you risk stripping this bolt, and you're really going to put too much tension on them that they're not meant for. So you can find this part on our website, thejeepsterman.com. You can also email us at sales@thejeepsterman.com, or you can call us at 314-798-6462. And once again, thanks a lot.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the JeepsteMan, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what?
No high tech at all.
That's